Hello, everybody. Welcome over here. Today, I want to talk about Google's latest update. If your website traffic dropped or suddenly jumped, right, over the past few weeks, it's not random. It's not a penalty as well. Google just finished out rolling out its latest core update, and this one is called the December update, December 2025 Google update. And most people are completely misunderstanding what this means, these core updates. So every time Google releases a core update, people panic. They look for loopholes, look for tricks, look for people to blame, right? Someone to blame. But core updates don't they just don't work that way. Google didn't target, right, your site. They didn't choose which site they like they just didn't target you, right? Google didn't suddenly hate your content, right? Nothing like that. And there's no single fix that magically brings it back overnight. So here's kind of the truth, right? Here's what a core update really does. Google re-evaluate everything it already knows, right? Already knew about the web. What's helpful, what's clear, what actually satisfies the searcher. Some contents get reweighted up, some gets reweighted down. Most stays exactly where it is. That's why you see that volatility, right, in the last few weeks. Well, it's rolling out the update, but not chaos. And here's the part that most people miss. If your rankings dropped, it doesn't automatically mean something's wrong, right? It usually just means Google found something else that better answers the questions. That's important distinction, right? Answers the question. So this is definitely not the time to rewrite everything overnight. Chase after new keywords, look for the latest shiny thing to kind of hack the system, right? Those reactions usually make things worse. So what Google, right, continues to reward update after update is very simple. Content made for real people, clear answers, right? Real expertise, information that actually helps, right? People help someone move forward. It's not right for rankings, right? These are content written to solve. And yes, recovery can happen between updates, but the biggest gains usually come after the next major refresh update. When Google sees consistent improvement over time, that's how, right, the system kind of works. It rewards you. So instead of asking, how do I beat the update? Ask this instead. If someone landed on this page today, would they leave feeling helped? Because that's the direction search is going. What's AI search, geo, right? Whatever we call that these days. And it's not changing anytime soon. So if any questions, feel free to reach out.